Hello. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to we're going to learn about on how to find the product of two numbers in scientific notation. So we call this as multiplying, okay, multiplying numbers in scientific notation. All right, or multiplying in scientific notation. So I will just give you two steps on how to multiply numbers in scientific notation. So the first one is just add the exponent or the exponents. And the second one is, of course, multiply the numbers or the decimal. Okay, so first, let us have an example. If I have 2.12 times 10 to the third times 1.11 times 10 to the fourth power. Of course, based from the steps, the first step is add the exponents. So what are the exponents? So the exponents are 3 and 4. So just write it down, 10 to the third times 10 to the fourth. Okay, based from the lows of exponent, the lows of exponent having the same base are their exponents. So that will be equal to 10 to the third plus 4. That will give you 10 to the seventh. That's it. So at the latter part of our steps or discussion, we're going to use this 10 to the 7. Let's move to the second step. Multiply the numbers or the decimals. And as we all know that the decimals are, or the numbers rather, are 2.12 and 1.11. So we will do the long method of multiplication. 2.12 or 12 times 1.11. So since all of this is 1, just copy this. Okay, just copy this 212. So we have 212 and then 212, 212. Okay, we leave spaces here. So it's just um, moving to the left rather. So bring down 2 and then 1 plus 2 that will give you 3 and then 2 plus 1 plus 2 that will give you 5 and 2 plus 1 that will give you 3 and the last one bring down 2. So as you can see that we have the product of 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. Now, as we all know that the decimal of this whole number is here, okay, gonna use the red one, is here. So let's put this in the box and then let's count the numbers here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So from this point, let's count 4 to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your decimal will be here. So therefore, this will be 2.3532 times, let's get this one, or copy this one, 10 to the 7th power. All right, so that is on how to find the product of numbers in scientific notation. Okay, next. So what if I have, this is another example, 6.32 times 10 to the 8th power, okay, times 3.21 times 10 to the third power. Okay, step one, let's copy this one, 10 to the 8 times 10 cubed. And then since they have the same base, copy the base and add their exponent. 8 plus 3, that will give you 10 to the 11th power. Okay, and step two, of course, let us multiply 6.32 and 3.21. So 6.32 times 3.21. 2 times 1, that will give you 3, or since this is 1, multiply to this one, just copy. Okay, my bad. So it's not 3, sorry. It's 2 times 1 rather is 2, and then copy 3 and 6. Then 2 times 2, that will give you 4. 2 times 3, that will give you 6. 2 times 6, that will give you 12. And then 3 times 2 for this one, that will give you 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, be careful. You have to align those. Okay, you have to align this one here and here and here in adding. Okay, now let's bring down 2. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 6 times 3, that will give you 18. Carry 1, or 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18. Then carry 1, 2 plus 1, or 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9, that will give you 12. And then carry 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 is 10, carry 1 here. So 1 plus 2 is, 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, this is your number. But remember, during our first example, we need to box this one, and then let's count the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our decimal here. Okay, then let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And this is our decimal. So we have 20.872. Just copy this, the first step, the output or the result of the first step, times 10 to the 11th power. Now, my question is this written in scientific notation? Okay, is this written in scientific notation? Okay, I know that you are thinking about the numbers. So remember, this is 20, and 20 is 2 digits. And based from the rule of to be considered or to be expressed in scientific notation, there must be 1 unit, okay, 1 digit. So therefore, how will you express 20 in 1 digit? All right, so what you gotta do is from this point, you have to move 1 to the left. That is why you have 2.0872 times 10. Now another question, what might happen to the exponent 11? Since you moved from here, going up here, 1, then since that is going to the left, you have to add 1 here. That is why 11 plus 1, that will give you 12. And this is now your product. Okay? This is your answer for this problem. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot on how to find two numbers or numbers in scientific notation. Find the product of numbers in scientific notation. That's all for now. Have a great one. Bye.